I am Sylvester Stallone. I was a young actor. My life was very hard. I had no money. I lived in my car. I had no home. I was always hungry. I wanted to be a star. I went to many auditions. They always said no. I felt very, very sad. My dream was still big. One day, I watched a fight. A small boxer fought a great one. He was a true hero. I had a great idea. I went home to write. I wrote a movie script. I wrote it in 3 days. It was a story from my life. The hero was a fighter. His name was Rocky. He never gave up. He had a lot of heart. This is the story of my fight. It is the story of my dream. I will tell you my 10 rules. They can help you too. I finished my script. It was a big moment for me. I held it in my hands. It was only a small book. I had no big plans. I just wanted to make the film. I went to many studios. I knocked on every door. They all said no. They did not want my script. They did not want me in the film. It was a very hard time. But my script was my start. It was my very first step. I did not try to do too much. I began with a small idea. Learning English is the same. You cannot learn it all. Not in one single day. You must start with a small goal. Learn one new word. Write one new sentence. Speak to one person. Take one small step. My small script became a movie. My small idea became a success. I believed in that small start. It was everything I had. Small things become big things. A single step starts a long run. Every big victory has a small start. It all begins with you. This is Rule 10. Start with small things. They will become big things. This is how you win. They all said no. Every studio said no. I was afraid of failure. I was very, very scared. I was afraid of being poor. I was afraid to try again. I was afraid of the big world. My fear was a heavy weight. But I went on. I did not stop trying. I faced my big fear. I went to one more studio. Learning English is the same. You will be afraid too. You will be afraid to speak. You will be afraid to make a mistake. Fear is a big wall. You must not stay behind it. You must face your fear. Take a deep breath and just speak. You will get stronger. Your fear will get smaller. You will learn to be brave. This is how you win. The fear of failure is big, but the pain of regret is bigger. Do not regret not trying. You are stronger than your fear. This is Rule 9. Face your fears. They will not hurt you. Your dream is more important. The studio said yes. They would make my movie. But I had to be Rocky. I had to get very strong. I had to train every day. I ran up the stairs. I lifted heavy things. I hit the punching bag. My body was very tired. My muscles were very sore. But I trained more and more. It was my daily routine. Learning English is the same. You must train hard. You must practice every day. Your practice is your training. You can read a book. You can watch a movie. You can listen to music. You must do it every day. You must not give up. You must stay disciplined. This is how you get strong. This is how you improve. My hard work paid off. I became a real fighter. My body was ready. I was ready for the film. You must train your mind. You must train your voice. It takes a lot of effort, but it is worth it. This is Rule 8. Train hard. Put in the work. This is how you become a champion. The studios gave me offers. They wanted my script. They offered a lot of money, but they did not want me as Rocky. I had to make a choice. I could have a lot of money, or I could be the star. I chose to be the star. I held to my dream. I waited for the right person. Then a man came to me. He was a good producer. He believed in my story. He believed in my words. He believed in me. He was my coach. A good coach is important. He gave me a chance. He told me to work hard. He said I was the right man. You need a coach. You cannot do it alone. A teacher or friend can help. They can be your coach. They will help you to speak. They will correct your mistakes. They will help you get better. A good coach is a guide. My coach helped me. He gave me a good push. He gave me confidence. I was ready for my film. This is Rule 7. Have a good coach. They will show you the way. They will help you win. I got many acting parts. They were not good roles. The movies were very bad. I learned from these. The money was a problem. I had to sell my dog. I felt very, very low. It was a big hit. But I did not stop. I learned from every bad film. I learned what not to do. I learned to be better. Making mistakes is normal. It is part of learning. You will say words wrong. Your grammar will not be perfect. This is not a failure. It is a lesson. You learn what not to say. You learn what to change. Every hit is a lesson. Every miss is a lesson. My bad movies taught me. They helped me get better. Your mistakes are your teachers. They show you your weaknesses. They show you where to improve. You get smarter from them. A boxer learns from a hit. He learns how to guard. You learn from your mistakes. You learn how to speak better. I used my bad experiences. I put them in my scripts. They made my stories real. My mistakes made me strong. This is Rule 6. Learn from hits and misses. They will make you stronger. They will make you better. I had a new offer. A lot of money was offered. The studio did not want me. I had to say no. I had a single goal. It was to be Rocky. I only focused on this. I said no to all else. A boxer has a clear focus. He looks at his opponent. He does not look away. He has one single goal. Learning English is the same. You must have a clear focus. You must not get distracted. Stay away from other things. Read only English books. Listen to English music. Watch only English movies. Focus on your learning. I gave up other acting jobs. I gave up other writing ideas. I focused on one thing only. My dream was to be Rocky. The world is full of noise. It has many distractions. You must turn off the noise. Listen only to your dream. This focus brought me to the top, made me a champion. It helped my movie become a classic. It was a hard choice. This is Rule 5. Stay focused on your goal. Do not get distracted. This is how you get to the top. I was given a big choice. The studio offered a lot of money. They offered a very big price, but they did not want me as Rocky. I looked at the big check. It was more money than I knew. I could have a very good life, but I would not be the star. I had to say no. I walked away from the money. People said I was crazy. They told me it was a mistake. But I had to believe in me. I believed in my words. I believed in my story. I knew I had to be Rocky. You must believe in yourself, even when others do not. You must have faith. Your inner belief is your strength. This belief will carry you. It will give you power. It will help you when you are tired. It is the heart of your dream. My belief made me hold on. It made me fight for the part. I got the role in the end. I became the hero of my own story. This is my life lesson. It is a very important rule. You must have belief. It is your biggest weapon. This is Rule 4. Believe in yourself. This is the only way to win. This is the way to be a champion. I had my own way of speaking. My words were often slow. My voice was often low. It was my unique style. Rocky had his own way of fighting. He took a lot of punches. He moved in a special way. It was his own style. My unique style worked. It made my character special. People remembered my voice. They remembered my way. You have your own way. Your voice is different. Your style is different. This is a good thing. Some people learn with music. Some people learn from books. Some people learn by talking. You must find your own way. Do not try to be someone else. Do not try to speak like others. Find your own rhythm. This is how you win. Your path is your own. It is your unique journey. It is made for you. It is your own story. A boxer has his own rhythm. He moves in his own way. He has his own style. It is his to use. This is Rule 3. Find your own rhythm. It will help you learn. It will make you special. The movie was made. It was a big success. But my fight was not over. I had to fight for my dream. The studio wanted to sell the film. They wanted to release it fast. I said no. I wanted it to be perfect. I fought for the final cut. I fought for every scene. I fought for the music. I fought for the end. A boxer fights until the end. He does not quit. He fights until the last round. He fights until the last bell. Learning English is the same. You will get tired. You will want to quit. You must not. You must fight to the end. You must not stop learning. You must not give up. This is the only way to win. My fight paid off. The movie was perfect. The music was perfect. The ending was perfect. We won an Oscar. The film became a legend. It was because of the fight. It was because of not giving up. This is Rule 2. Fight to the end. This is how you finish. This is how you get your victory. The film was a big success. But life is not always easy. I had good times and bad times. I fell down many times. I had bad movies. I had problems in my life. Sometimes I felt very low. I felt like I had nothing. A boxer gets knocked down. He feels pain and is tired, but he must stand up. He must get back to his feet. Learning English is the same. You will get tired. You will make mistakes. You will feel you are failing. You must not stay on the floor. You must get back up. Try again. Start again. My life had many falls, but I always got back up. I never stayed down for long. This is the secret to winning. My dream was to be a star. My dream was to make Rocky. It was a long journey. I had to get back up. This is the most important rule. It is the heart of a champion. It is the heart of my story. It is the key to victory. This is Rule 1. No matter how many times you fall, you must always get back up. This is how you win. What is your favorite part? Which lesson helps you most? How will you use Rocky's story? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. If you like this video, please like and share it. Subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you for watching. We're happy to help you learn. Remember this always. Get up and keep fighting.